What's up, guys? I'm back with another journey, as you will say. Been I did a little work on the Accord, and check it out. I got a pavilion. So yeah, keeps the sun off me, keeps the rain off me. But yeah, we doing a little upgrades, updating, trying to get everything upgraded. These little damn bushings. Got the transmission out. Of course, axles pulled out. I did the oil pump, timing belt tensioner. Got the transmission off. Oh yeah, I did the master cylinder, fuel filter. Here's our brand NSK. You know, it's a good brand, but I gotta have two hands. But there's actually play in the NSK, and I swapped to a Koyo, OEM Honda Koyo. So yeah, this thing lasts me a couple years, but it started squeaking and there's play in it. So yeah, fuel filter, master cylinder, these rotten radius rod bushings, and finally gonna put the Integra gear transmission on there and hope that it works. But yeah, and I got me another cold air intake. I'm swapping from 2.5 inch to straight 3-inch big ass pipe. So yeah, why not? From my old homemade ghetto Tasco telescope setup. Yeah, this thing is a monster. So yeah. But I'd like to thank all my subscribers. I believe I hit over 150 or I hit 150. Thank each and every one of you. You know, when I get to 200, I'm going to do another giveaway. So, yeah, stay tuned. All right, all right, all right. We getting there. Holy moly. Got the damn transmission in. About tired. So, yeah. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. That's a good sign. Last time it went going to first or second because that piece was bent, but we feeling pretty good right now. I feel boom, 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 boom. I feel pretty good about that. So yeah. There, boys and girls, I'm putting the fluid in, and the best thing about this casing is it's got a damn hole in the top, so I can just fill it through the top. You know, I ain't gotta get that little damn funnel with the hose and all that. No, I just top it off right here. So yeah, we getting there. Alright, she's finally put back together. All her fluids topped off, new tie rod ends, redid the alignment with my string line, so only thing left to do is to start up and hopefully it goes in all the gears. So far she's running. I'm gonna let her warm up and we'll take it around the block. Somewhat of a sneak peek. The aluminum finally came in. I got the spacer, I got the flywheel bolts, the mounting hardware. So yo, just a little sneak peek. I like to slip these little videos in here, but coming soon. Alright, one last thing to do. Let's see if this motherfucker works. Alright. Remember last time it wouldn't go into first and second because that piece was bent. So let's see. So far we got reverse. I'm gonna take it real easy, guys, because you know I just replaced the throwout bearing and all that, so I ain't trying to kill it. We're just gonna see if it goes through the gears. Alright, moment of truth right here. We are in first gear. Let's see if it works. We are rolling. We are rolling. First gear. Second gear. So far, so good. There's third gear. Fourth gear works. Or fifth works. try to pop it in there. I'm not really going fast enough, but I'll try to pop it in there. And fifth gear is working. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.